Hey there, fellow dancers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to get groovy and learn how to pop, lock, and drop it. I know, you're probably thinking, why do we need another video on this? Well, my dear friends, because I'm about to break it down like never before. So let's get started, shall we? First off, let's talk about popping. Popping is all about isolating certain muscles in your body to create sharp, jerky movements. It's like your body is being controlled by a bunch of strings and someone is yanking on them real hard. Trust me, it's not as painful as it sounds. To get started with popping, focus on your chest and arm muscles. Imagine you're wearing a backpack and someone is pulling it backwards. Your chest should puff out and your arms should retract back. Now, quickly release those muscles and bring your arms forward. Boom! You just popped. Do it again and again until you've got a smooth popping motion going on. Next up, we have locking. Locking is all about hitting specific poses that make you look like a funky robot. The key to locking is having clean lines and hitting your poses with precision. Think of it like hitting a freeze frame in the middle of a dance movie. To get started with locking, try locking your elbows and knees in different positions. Hold each pose for a beat and then smoothly transition into another pose. Don't forget to add some attitude and swing to your movements. You want to look like the coolest robot on the dance floor, not like a malfunctioning one. Finally, we have dropping. And no, I'm not talking about dropping it like it's hot, although that is also a valid dance move. Dropping involves collapsing your body downward in a controlled manner. It's all about making an impact with your movements and showing off your flexibility. To get started with dropping, stand with your feet hip width apart and slowly squat down. Imagine you're sitting in a chair that's slowly disappearing from under you. Once your thighs are parallel with the ground, quickly release and drop your body to the ground. Make sure to keep your core engaged and land softly on the ground. You don't want to end up with a concussion or a broken hip. Now, let's put it all together. Try combining popping, locking, and dropping into a smooth routine. Don't worry if your movements aren't perfect at first. Keep practicing and you'll get there. And hey, even if you don't become the next Jabberwockies, you'll look pretty dang cool on the dance floor. So, there you have it, folks, how to pop, lock, and drop it. I hope you learned something new and are now ready to get groovy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome dance tips and tutorials. Keep on dancing, my friends.